Very welcome back here to Ireland AM. We're live down here in Kilcoole in County Wicklow. Good morning, everyone. Morning. We're busy down here at our festive DIY workshop. Karen Gaffney, good morning to you, Karen.
Good morning, Derek. Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas to you too. Now, tell us what's happening down here. I love the fact that you have all these ladies, busy bees here this morning.
We're having a lot of fun. We're running a Christmas DIY workshop for women. It's something we do on a monthly basis here, but we're making it very festive this morning and having a lot of fun, making some great things for Christmas.
Now, a lot of us head out into the shops and into the bargain bins to buy the bits and pieces. It's actually a lot more fun when you make it yourself at home.
Completely. It's the sense of empowerment and joy that you get from making something yourself is it's just brilliant. And it's worth the time just to develop your skills in DIY, and the things that you find you can do then is just incredible.
Now, I love what you're doing down here because it's all about empowering women.
Absolutely. It's been such a positive thing, these workshops that we've been running, the sense of empowerment and freedom that women feel, building and new skills, developing new skills, and just being able to do, incredible projects, around their house.
And who says women can't DIY, right?
100%. We absolutely can, and Martin has been helping us build incredible skills.
All right, thank you so much for that, Karen. We're going to say good morning to Brenda and Lynn. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning, Derek.
Brenda, all the way from?
Ormore and Galway.
Ormore and Cúnta na Galway. What are you making here this morning?
This is a window box planter in the shape of a sleigh.
Oh, yeah, it's gorgeous, isn't it? Now, was it hard to make, Lynn?
It wasn't. No, you use a jigsaw to cut out your shapes, and then you just use a drill to put your screws in,
Yeah.
and then it's
And I
really
believe you're going to
easy,
rock
actually.
up to someone's house with this as a
I
present.
am, yeah, going to bring that as a present.
Isn't
for
that lovely?
Christmas. Yeah.
And all the way from Greystones?
All the way up from Greystones.
In County Wicklow. Now, this is the fun table over here. Good morning, girls. Now, they've been trying their hardest to turn water into wine here this morning. We have got Lynn Bells. Good morning to you, Lynn.
Good morning, Derek.
Lynn, all the way from?
Oh, I'm a local, I'm afraid.
Kilcoole.
Kilcoole, down the road.
Now, tell us what you're making here.
We are making a wine rack, great for gifting at this time of year, and it holds 3 bottles of wine and 2 glasses, and not that it will be full for long. Sure, won't it, Lorraine?
Absolutely, no. We've been struggling all morning now.
Yeah, Lorraine, was it hard to make?
No, it actually was very, very easy because this was just made out of pallets that were completely sanded down, cut to size. Now, we only did make 3 holes. That wouldn't be big enough now for me at home. We'd need to be.
Because you're a thirsty girl, I hear.
Oh, I swear to God, yeah. But I mean, the wine just fits in there.
Isn't that fantastic?
Isn't it? Just brilliant.
And you can hang that up on your wall, right?
Absolutely. Now, what would be even nicer now, it doesn't have to be rustic or anything.
The glasses go in there. No, it's a bit of a tight squeeze. Oh, look, you do it the other way.
Right, Afford, Jesus, look. So, yeah, so that's fine.
Well done.
But we can do it unpainted and have it much sleeker looking. So we
Yeah.
could actually have it black and little bits of gold edging and a few little lights in it would be really,
There
really
we
nice.
go.
Or a full wall.
Okay, sounds good to me. Lorraine and Lynn, Guramila Mahagav. Now, Martin, good morning to you, the DIY
Morning.
Academy. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, so the DIY Academy is something we set up a couple of years ago, and we thought it'd be for men, to be honest. But then Karen kind of got in contact. It seemed to, as we got started, there seemed to be more women that were interested in it. And then Karen got in contact. We started doing the workshops here in Kilcoole, and since then,
And Martin, you're pulling women in from all over the country.
all over the place.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because we've got people here from Galway, Tip, we've got them from Mayo and Greystones here in Wicklow itself,
Yeah, we people travelling from Waterford for one day
Yeah.
recently, so it's it's incredible. Look, there's a want for it, and I find that the ladies are well able for it, like, you know.
Yeah, no bother at all to them. Now, this is a Christmas tree. Tell us about how we make this from scratch.
Yeah, so this is the Christmas tree. It's made from pallets. So it's just, you see the nail holes there from the old pallets. We just took it apart and I just sanded everything down. So the wood is beautiful, you know what I mean? The more every layer you take off it, the more beautiful it gets. So just because there was a pallet out the back doesn't mean it can't be used. Okay?
And I mean, if you can't find a pallet, you will find a pallet because there's lots of farmers with pallets.
Yeah, once people know you want pallets, everyone will want to be giving you pallets. So that's the way it works.
Now, so you're going to cut up the edge of the Christmas tree there. So show us how it's
We're
done.
just going to finish off the end here. So just get on me safe.
Okay, put on your safety goggles there.
No.
Bit of noise here now back at home. Off we go. There, that's nicely done. So that's done in that triangle Christmas tree shape,
That's the
right?
shape, yeah. So you leave them long and then just cut them to size afterwards.
Okay, great. Now, we want to add some decorations. So what are we doing?
Yeah, so because it's wood, we can just put screws straight into it. So there's no trick to it. A screw straight in there.
And then we can hang our little baubles on it like this.
Yeah, hang it anywhere. And this can
Hang
go
it anywhere we want.
This can go outside as well, and it's just really handy one to make.
Martin, I am loving this idea because this is so simple. And then, of course, we can paint it up a little bit as well.
Yeah, look, we've Karen started there already, so you can paint it up in your own colours and put ribbons on it. You can do what you want. You can make it your
All
own.
the different colours. Isn't that so easy to do, like, and so simple? And you could put this now in your garden, in your patio. If you have a porch out the front, slip it up there.
Yeah, well, because it's made of pallets, it's already treated, so you don't even have to treat it. So it'll last outside for a while, and it's not lying on the ground either, so it's not going to rot very, very quickly.
Now we're going to put the star in before we head back to the ladies.
You're doing a great job there. Fair play to you.
Look at this now, Martin. Sign me up. A quick course in DIY. There we go. And we're going to put in the little star here this morning. Look at that. And there we go. Hey, presto, ready to go.
Job done.
Gurmila, we'll come back to you in a few moments' time because we got Deirdre and Caoimhe. Good morning to you, Caoimhe.
How are you, Derek?
All the way from?
Kildare Town.
Kildare Town. Tell us what you've been making here this morning.
So we've been doing a jewellery holder. So this is going to go up on the wall at home.
Stop. This is fantastic.
You can put your rings and your bracelets on this, and then you can put your chains. We've been putting little hooks on the bottom. You can hang your chains.
Hang them off there. Deirdre, all the way from Dundrum and Tip. Good morning.
Good morning, Derek. How are you this morning?
Good, thank you. Was it hard to make?
No, not really. We just literally 2 planks of wood, screws in the side. We screwing in these as well, so it's pretty simple. And then you drill in holes here as well.
Yeah.
And there
and
you have
like
it.
that's a lovely present to give someone at Christmas, right?
Fabulous. And this is one you just hang it up on the wall then, so it's really nice little display as well for your home. So
Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Caoimhe and Deirdre. And finally to Mary and Anne. Good morning, girls.
Good
Happy
morning.
Christmas. All the way from Cúnta
Kiltormer and
Kiltormer,
Ballinasloe.
I know it well. What have you been making this morning, Mary?
A bird box for
Right.
birds, for robins, to feed robins. And it's made out of marine ply and waste material from pallets.
Okay, and all the way from Golden and Tip, Anne.
I am.
Did you enjoy making this
I
morning?
did. You know what? We're looking at feeding the birds anyway. Little birds. So
Now, would I squeeze in here?
I think you're a little bit too big.
I think you are too. It's only for small birds.
I should like myself. I'm a small little birdie. Anyway, we've had a fantastic morning here. Where can we find out more online, Martin?
Yeah, so if you just go onto the DIYacademy.ie and we're on the social media, Instagram and Facebook, so you'll see it all there. All the information you need is on it.
All right, thank you so much. And look at all their wonderful creations. They've done an amazing job. A big cheer from all the ladies. Big wave. Back to you in studio. Well done, girls. Fantastic. This is great.
Oh, look, they're making all their Christmas
Let's
presents.
crack on now.
Oh, that's so cute. How
Yeah,
handy.
I feel very lazy now, having
Do
not
ya?
made or
Yeah.
bought
You haven't
anything.
made one birdhouse.
Not one birdhouse is
Sean,
anyone
that
getting.
just
I hate to break it to people.
Can you hammer a nail, though?
Oh, I can, yeah.
Yeah. In any meaningful way, no? No.